Hello. Are you planning to close your partnership firm? Understanding the process is crucial to ensure a smooth and legally compliant closure. Today, we'll break down the key steps, legal requirements, and how Filings Corner can assist you in closing your firm the right way. What is the closure of a partnership firm? Closing a partnership firm means legally dissolving its operations, settling debts, and distributing any remaining assets among the partners. Once the process is completed, the firm ceases to exist as a legal entity. Why close a partnership firm? There are various reasons why a partnership firm may need to be closed. Mutual agreement. Partners mutually decide to end the business. End of business tenure. The firm was set up for a fixed term, and that term has ended. Financial losses, if the firm is insolvent or unprofitable. Disputes or legal issues. Conflicts among partners or legal challenges can lead to dissolution. Court order, closure ordered due to fraud or misconduct. Legal requirements for closure. To close your partnership firm, there are several key legal requirements. Partners' consent. Partners must agree to the closure, either through mutual consent or as per the partnership deed. Public notice. You must inform all creditors and stakeholders about the closure. Clear outstanding dues. Pay all creditors, suppliers, and employees before the firm can be officially closed. Notify registrar and tax authorities. You'll need to file for dissolution and clear all tax dues. Liquidate assets. Sell off any firm property and distribute the proceeds among the partners. Step-by-step closure process. Here's a breakdown of the closure process. 1. Partner agreement. All partners must agree on the closure terms. 2. Draft dissolution agreement. Document the debt settlements and how assets will be divided. 3. Settle liabilities. Pay debts, salaries, and taxes before proceeding with closure. 4. Distribute assets. Liquidate firm assets and distribute the proceeds among the partners. 5. Notify authorities. Inform the Registrar of Firms and tax departments. 6. Close bank accounts. Settle the firm's accounts and officially close the firm's bank accounts. 7. Final tax filings. Submit the last tax returns for compliance. 8. Legal dissolution. The partnership is officially dissolved and ceases to exist. Timeframe for closure. Simple closures. This can take 1 to 3 months, especially if no debts exist. Debt settling closures. This can take 3 to 6 months, depending on the outstanding liabilities. Dispute-based closures. If there are legal complexities or disputes, it could take 6+ months. Cost of closing a partnership firm. The cost of winding up your partnership firm includes legal fees, drafting agreements and filings, debt settlements, government filing fees, liquidation costs. How Filings Corner can help? At Filings Corner, we make the entire closure process hassle-free. Expert consultation, dissolution agreement drafting, debt settlement assistance, complete tax and compliance filing, final closure filing with authorities. Contact us today or visit www.filingscorner.com for expert assistance on your partnership firm closure. Filings Corner, making business transitions smooth, legal, and successful.